Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today I have for you a cash stuffing. We will be stuffing our sinking funds and some savings challenges today. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to my channel and stick around for the rest of this video. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So first things first, let's count up our money. I believe we have $197 here today. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. So 197 to work with. I also do want to go ahead and pull out my savings challenge binder. Seeing as June is done with, that means my Dog Mom challenge is over for May. And I am just gonna go ahead and add this money into today's stuffing. And we're gonna move this to the side. So we now have an extra 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 that we will be stuffing into our other challenges today. All right, so let's go ahead. Seeing we already have this pulled out, let's go ahead and do this. We are only going to be stuffing one thing in this binder today, and that is our retirement savings challenge. And we are stuffing $22 in here. So we got 2 10s and 2 1s. So we now have a grand total of 100, 200, 220, 230, 240, 250, 51, 52, 53. So 253 towards this challenge. And that is it for this binder today. We are working with a smaller budget, and I did want to put a majority of the money that we do have towards our Disney binder, because I need to make some progress towards there. All right, we are going to start back in our sinking funds, and we are going to go to car maintenance. Car maintenance is getting $20 today. In June, we do have to pay some personal property taxes on our vehicle, and my husband's car registration is due. So I wanted to add some extra here, and we now have 100, 120, 140, 150, 160, 165, 166. I am also going to be adding $15 towards his racing events. That way I know the racing event for June is accounted for. The ones he does locally are only $15 a month, so I just figured I'd go ahead and stuff the full amount there. Health, I'm going to be adding $10 towards health today. We still have a decent amount in here. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. And then we are also going to be stuffing our emergency savings challenge, and we are doing $5 today. So towards emergency, we have 100, 120, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, and that's it for sinking funds. And now we are moving into the favorite binder, the Disney binder. All right, so for Resort, we are going to be stuffing $75 into Resort. So that means we get to color in one more of the hangers. So we'll color this one in right here. All right, so we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. And let's see what we've got here. Oh. All right. All right, a bunch of 50s there. Okay, so we have $1,000 in the bank. And then we have 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 50, 400 for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. All right, and we are getting closer and closer to that being fully funded. I'm thinking we'll have this fully funded by the end of July for the resort, which is amazing. Next up is going to be theme park tickets. And we are going to be putting $25 towards that today. So we get to color in a safari icon. So 10, 15, 20, 25. For a total of 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75. So 175. All right, next up is dining, and we are going to be adding $25 towards dining today. And we get to color in another salad bowl. And we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And that brings us to a grand total of 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And last but not least is going to be drinks. And we are stuffing $20 towards drinks today. And that means we get to color in one of these little rocks glasses. And that should be the rest that we have over here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. For a grand total of $40 towards drinks. All right, and that's going to be it for today, guys. We've made some decent progress in this binder lately, and I am just getting more and more excited for our trip. Most of these have at least two or three colored in, so that's really exciting. But that's going to be it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of a shorter video. Hopefully this week I'll make lots of money and we'll be able to stuff more of our savings challenges next week. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I'll be going over my budget for June. We do have a couple big expenses coming up. Well, they're not super big expenses, but some more things that we do have to account for. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video and I'll be going over all of our expenses for June. All right, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you then. Bye.